Acción Positiva!
Good morning and welcome to Berkeley Springs. Today is Moto Monday. Hey Morgan County, Mrs. Hott and
Sheima,
we want to welcome you to school this week on your daily community vlogcast. Miss Sheima and I have some great stories that say we care about
you.
Moto Monday. You'll find an inspirational video to help you motor up your week at school.
Have a wonderful week. Positive thoughts. The positive word for this week is respect, and in Spanish, respeto.
Germs, 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 germs. Weak.
Positive action kid, that's what I am, that's how I live. I am a positive action kid, that's what I am.
Guess what this week is? It's Germ Week! And look, germs are out there everywhere. Have you heard? We're having a pandemic, but guess what, boys and girls? You, Morgan County scholars, just like children all around the world, we can help fight the pandemic. And this week, on our daily vlogcast, you know what? Mrs. Sheima and I, we are going to show you some great information all about germs. And you want to know something, guys? You're bigger than the germs. You know what that means? With knowledge. Knowledge is a positive action for our intellectual wellness, and the more we know and understand, the better we feel. And that's good for our social and emotional wellness. So guess what? Go out, grab your superhero cape, and let's fight some germs. Thank you, Cade McCumbee, for a great idea. So, you got your super cape ready? Mrs. Hott does. What are some things that you can do to be a superhero and help fight germs? One, you can wash your hands. Wash your hands, wash your hands. It's very healthy for you and your friends. What else you can do? You can stay home. And you know what else, guys? You can cough in your elbow, in your elbow. So watch this with Miss Sheima and I. We've got some fun for you, joining some friends from Spain and all around the world. Woohoo! It's time for positive actions. Hey boys and girls, Mrs. Sheima and Mr. Miguel, the Spanish teacher at the high school, translated a song from Spain. And you want to know something, guys? All around the world, children are doing what they can do to help stop the virus. So check out this song that they translated for us and sing along. Are you ready? How about you, Miss Sheima? Are you ready?
Yes, this is so exciting.
Awesome. Here it goes. Here we go. Every time you have a cold, use your hand seems so cool, but some of them think that it's chic, but the real thing is it gets you sick. So when I sneeze or when I cough, with the elbow, with the elbow. When I sneeze or when I cough, with the elbow, with the elbow. From your mouth, the virus blows because it travels in bunch of drops. Drops coming out of your throat when you laugh and when you talk. With the coughing or the sneezing, all those drops you are splashing. So with the coughing or the sneezing, all those drops you are splashing. So when I sneeze and when I cough, I use the elbow. Use the elbow. When I sneeze and when I cough, use the elbow. Use the elbow. If they land on your hand, to your siblings you pass the trash. You splash on plates, you splash on toys, or a high five, you have no choice. In this way, you give the flu many other bugs that are super rude. So I tell you, whenever you cough, bring your elbow to your mouth. So when I sneeze, when I cough, use your elbow, use your elbow. When I sneeze and when I cough, use your elbow. Where's your elbow? And now it's time to wash your hands. Then you have to finish the plan. Always remember to wash your hands because they have touched so many things and you can't feel it, but germs are king. Wash your hands, wash your hands. It's very healthy for you and your friends. Wash your hands, wash your hands. It's very healthy for you and your friends. Wash your hands if you blew your nose because the snot is a mess. And after touching your hair or your shoes, through their hands you pass the soap. So wash your hands, wash your hands. It's very healthy for you and your friends. Wash your hands, wash your hands. It's very healthy for you and your friends. If you play with sand or touch your cat, if you pet the dog or jump a lot, if you play with sports putting in a big effort, don't forget to be neat from your nose to your feet. So wash your hands, cause it's very healthy for you and your friends. Wash your hands, cause it's very healthy for you and your friends. And wash your hands if you're going to eat, and when you're done, you wash again. If you use the toilet, you can't forget to wash your hands with soap and water. And I can name what you have touched, but I don't want to because I'm polite. You know for sure, full of bacteria from your head to your butt. Wash your hands, because it's very healthy for you and your friends. Wash your hands, because it's very healthy for you and your friends. Wash your hands. It's very healthy for you and your friends.
Wash your hands, it's very healthy for you and your friends. Wash your hands, it's very healthy for you and your friends.
Wash your hands, it's very healthy for you and your friends. Wash your hands, it's very healthy for you and your friends.
Wash your hands, it's very healthy for you and your friends.
Wash your hands, it's very healthy for you and your friends.
Wash your hands, it's very healthy and important for you and your friends to wash your hands. Wash your hands.
Wash your hands, wash your hands. It's very healthy for you and your friends. Let me try that again. Wash your hands, wash your hands. It's very healthy for you and your friends.
Wash your hands, wash your hands. It's very healthy for you and your friends. Wash your hands, wash your hands. It's very healthy for you and your friends.
Okay. Wash your hands, wash your hands. It's very healthy for you and your friends.
Wash your hands, wash your hands. It's very healthy for you and your friends.
Let's first put soap in the palm of our hands and then begin to rub in between like so. But as you see, there is no soap on the back of my hands, so I'm going to interlace my fingers palm to palm, and then I'm going to do the same technique on the back of my hands with each hand. And then you're going to take the back of your fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlocked. And then start rubbing your thumbs. And then you're going to take your fingertips, clasp the fingertips in the right hand in the left palm, and vice versa. Rub your wrist one last time to make sure your hands have been completely covered in soap. Thanks for watching.
Action kid, that's what I am, that's how